For some reason my camera is lagging. Oh, wait a minute, there is a small error. Today, I also wanted to show you some video if you want to look at it. Whether I don't know whether I can show it to you, but let me just show you. Yep, this is the one. Let me just adjust it. Alright, it's an English chapter named as Birth, and I just want to go through this chapter because it's a whole new chapter. I never studied this, so yes, let's go.
I'm glad to see you. I've been back and forth here this last hour. My wife needs you.
Andrew Manchin has just begun his medical practice. He is returning from a disappointing evening with Christine, the girl he loves.
Wait here. I'll get my bag. I'll not come in. But, man, I know you'll do well for us.
Susan Morgan's mother, nearly 70 years old, stood quiet beside her, the midwife, calm and ready to help. And Susan Morgan, about to give birth after 20 years of her marriage with Joe.
Let me make you a cup of tea, Doctor, dear. She realized that there had to be a waiting period before the patient needed my help. She is asking me for tea, so that I remain here. Don't worry, Mother. I'll not run away. Even if I go home, I can't snatch even an hour's sleep. The case here demands all my attention.
An hour later, he went upstairs again, noted the progress made, came down once more, and sat by the kitchen fire. Andrew's thoughts were heavy and confused. He couldn't stop thinking about what he had seen at Cardiff Station. It troubled him deeply. He thought about Bramwell, who was foolishly dedicated to a woman who had betrayed him. About Edward Page, who was trapped in a miserable marriage with an irritable woman. And about Denny, who lived happily, apart from his wife. His logical mind told him that all these marriages were failures, and this thought made him uncomfortable in his current emotional state. He wanted to believe that marriage was something beautiful and perfect, especially when he thought of his love, Christine. Her shining eyes made him feel that no other view of marriage was possible. He was torn between his doubting mind and his overflowing heart. He sat with his chin on his chest, stretched his legs out, and stared into the fire.
Susan said not to give her the chloroform if it would harm the baby. She's desperate to have this child, Doctor. We all are, I think. The anesthetic won't do any harm. They will be all right. I might now begin my work.
Bro, that was unexpected. Oh my god. Also, shout out to Students Heaven, one of the great, animated channels.
It was a long, harsh struggle. As the first light of morning passed through the blinds, the child was born, lifeless. He hesitated, torn between wanting to try to save the baby and needing to help the mother, who herself was in serious trouble. The situation was so urgent that he couldn't think clearly. Instinctively, he handed the baby to the nurse and focused on Susan Morgan, who was lying, still under the effects of the anesthesia. He rushed to help her, working quickly as her strength faded. He quickly injected the medicine into her. Then he worked tirelessly to revive her. After a few minutes of hard work, her heart began to beat stronger, and he felt he could leave her safely.
Where's the child?
She had placed the child under the bed, amongst soaked newspapers. He stared at the child. The limp, white body was white and soft. The head rolled on the thin neck. The limbs seemed boneless. The whiteness meant only one thing: asphyxia, pallor. It is a condition caused by lack of oxygen and excess of carbon dioxide in the body. He remembered a case he had seen before, in the Samaritan, and he recalled the treatment that had been used.
Give me hot water and cold water. And basins too. Quick! Quick!
But, doctor,
Quick!
He began the special method of respiration. The basins arrived. He quickly moved the child between the cold water and the hot water, trying to bring the baby back to life. 15 minutes passed. Sweat was now running into Andrew's eyes. His breath became pantingly, but no breath came from the lifeless body of the child. A desperate sense of defeat pressed on him. He felt the midwife watching him in terror, while there was the old woman staring at him. He remembered her longing for a grandchild as great as had been her daughter's longing for this child. All shattered now, hopeless, beyond saving. The floor was now a draggled mess.
for God's sake, doctor, it's born dead.
Andrew ignored her. Exhausted and hopeless, after working and baying for half an hour, he still held on to one last attempt. Rubbing the child with a rough towel, pressing and releasing the tiny chest, trying to breathe life into that lifeless body. Then, as if by a miracle, the small chest gave a sudden breath, and another, and another. Andrew felt life returning beneath his fingers. He pressed on, working crazily. The child began to breathe deeper, each breath stronger than the last. The limbs grew firm, the head no longer lay. Slowly, the pale skin warmed to a pink glow. Then, at last, the child let out its first cry.
Dear Father in heaven, it's come alive.
Andrew handed her the child. He felt weak and dazed. About him, the room lay in a chaotic mess. Blankets, towels, basins, dirty instruments, the hypodermic syringe, the urine knocked over, the kettle on its side in a puddle of water. On the bed, the mother still lost in sleep from the anesthetic. The old woman still stood there, praying.
I'll fetch my bag later, nurse.
He went downstairs. In the kitchen, he took a long drink of water. He reached for his hat and coat.
All right. Joe. Both all right.
A few miners were already in the streets, heading home from the night shifts. As Andrew walked with them, he kept thinking.
I've got
Wow, that is actually really whoa. This is a bit dark and great at the same time. Wow, these stories are really great. Oh my god.
And this is your brain. You're in the center.
Oh shoot, that is.
It's staying there. That feels more like love than something you can control. So that's why we made Brain FM. It's like a do not disturb setting for your mind that gets you focused in just 5 minutes. Using science and sound, Brain FM guides your brainwaves into an optimal state for productivity,
Wow, dude, this is really good. That was really lit.
brain work together.
Dang, that was good. Like, I wanted to watch this video so that I get some idea of what this chapter is mainly based on. Dude, like, that was really good. Oh. I don't know whether this was audible, but yes. Oh my god. So there are 3 points. 3 0. -2, comma -2. And 8, comma 2. Yes, these 3 are collinear. We need to prove them actually, my bad. We need to prove that these points are lying on one line. The first method we know is that if you try to find the area of the triangle, it should be 0, so that we get the idea these points are collinear. The other method is that. Wait a minute, sorry about that. That M1 and M1 and M2, the slopes should be equal for that line. That's the main thing we need to know. So, which is one of the main important stuff we need to have an idea based on that. So we get the thing and this feeling where you have to really get the exaggeration. So we get M1 and M2 equal. That's the main thing we need to know. We should be getting M1 and M2 equal, and that's how we get the idea. So, how we exactly do this, first of all? First of all, what we can do here is we can make an equation like these 3, 0 and 8, 2. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is go to find the M value of this. This is ABC. So let's find the slope of a line. Let's find the equation for AB. First of all, we need to know the M value. So M value is 0 minus 2 divided by 3 plus 2. That is going to be minus 2 by 5. Alright, dang, let's go. We got this one. M value is minus 2 by 5. Got it. After M value being minus 2 by 5, we need to know another one. What is it based on? Like, the M value should be having some specific value, and we got that specific value. Now, since we know the specific value for this M thingy, what is the next thing we can do here? The next thing we can plot out is getting equations. Yes. Oh my god, let's go. Oh, I'm stuck again. Man, why is this laptop getting stuck every single moment? Yep, let's go. So minus 2 by 5, and that's the one thing we need to get the idea of. So x minus x naught into m is equal to y minus y naught. So let's make that formula. Wait. Why to do that when we know that there is two? Okay, no, what? Let's just do it. X minus 3 minus 2 by 5 y minus 0. So this is gonna be minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 5y. That is 2x plus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now if we take, now this is the thing, we'll take 8 comma 2 and check this here. If 8 comma 2 satisfies the equation, then we'll get it. 8 is the x value and 2 is the y value, so we get this one here, and this is 16 10. Okay, alright, there's some sign mistake I guess I made, not to mention that I don't really like that way I did it. Should be minus, oh, I don't know why I messed up that, huh? Why did I mess that up? Okay, what is going on exactly here? Wait a minute. Should be supposed to be getting minus 5y minus 6, and I got plus 5y. That's not the one I need. Should be having this and then this. We should be getting it collinear because we need to prove it. Did I do something wrong, like with the formula or something? I mean, you can use another one, but then I felt like, you know what, let's just do it. Let's just use the point formula where it passes through a fixed point. So I was like, yeah, let's go for it. I'm down for it. What? Maybe there's a mistake in the slope. Let's just check. 0 plus, okay, got it. I already got it. This is plus. Sign mistake, guys. What the hell, dude? This is gonna be plus 10, this is gonna be minus. Therefore, we get this value, and then, yeah, got it. I got it now. Just a simple sign mistake in the slope formula. Alright, that's it. I think we need to do some 2 more questions that are related to word problem. Let's do them, then we'll complete this part. Okay, so first of all, let's start off here. Let's start off straight and strong. We have okay, let's first draw the Cartesian plane. It kind of looks weird to have some normal wood problems in straight lines. This looks very unusual, that's why. The length L, wait, let's mark this. Okay, let's see what is given. And centimeters of copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature. So length is 194. Sorry, L is 124.9242, where Celsius is gonna be 2. Whereas when length is 125.13, what is it, man? What the hell? Cannot see that. No, 1.125.134. Okay, this is gonna be 125.134. No, C is 20. L here another one, 125.134. C is equal to, what is C? C is equal to 110. Express L in terms of C. How are we gonna do that? So we know that these are the points. Suppose we have a line, okay? Suppose what do we need to exactly find here? If Celsius is 110 degree, so express L in terms of C. I want to do that here. Okay, first of all, let's say that these L values are x coordinate and y values of C are this. So I will say here this is y coordinate and this is x coordinate. and I found a point where this is a point where this shows a coordinate of 124.942 comma 20. So this is gonna be 124.942, and this is gonna be 20. All right, then I got 110. This is gonna be 125. Okay, wait a minute, let's put it here. This is gonna be 125.134, I guess. Yes, it is. Then we get this. By doing this, we get a straight line, and this is the straight line I'm talking about. All right, we get a straight line here, and I got this overall. I got it. What is the next thing I have to do? Express L in terms of C. Why am I yawning so much? What's going on today? For some reason, I'm yawning so much. Like, this is the third time I yawn. Like, bro, what the hell is going on? Uh, 1 minute. So what is it next? Okay, this is connected with this one. That is 125.134. So what is the question exactly? Want me to express it again? Express L in terms of C. We need to express the L in terms of C. Like, I need to show that the unit centimeter, suppose, can be expressed in what degree Celsius, right? Yeah, technically. So this is gonna be like, you know, having L being expressed in terms of C. So yeah, this is going to be C by L of something. Okay, where it is 1 centimeter unit length, and which has one specific kind of temperature that takes place here, and that's why we need to have an idea based on that. So let's just do one thing. Okay, we're gonna take the slope formula and get the idea. I think we'll get it. I feel like we can get it. I know, I'm not sure why, but I feel like it. We divide this. And then, bro, this paper is just trolling me so bad. Like, bro, just stop doing that. Like, literally, that's so annoying. Oh my god. This is so annoying. Okay. I hope it stopped doing that now. So this is 120. No, wait. This is not how it is done. So that's 110 minus 20 divided by 125. Oh, that was close. 134 minus 124.942. So 11020 here, and this is gonna be 90, I guess. So 90 divided by 125.134, 124.942. What is this value? 2 here, 13, 9, 11, that is 10. This is 1.4000. Okay, we got 0.192. 0.192. This is about close value, right? It should be closer. Should be closer. I feel like it. I feel like I can get this value. So yeah, technically I should be getting the value, and I should be having this equation being done. Okay, alright. But somehow, if I Alright. So it's gonna be 90 divided by 0.192. This is gonna be 900,123. So this is extra 3 zeros right here. 192. So how many zeros will that be, man? That's too many of this. Let's remove these. One of these. This is too much. So 192. I think I'll start with 8. 8 to the 16. 8 9 to 72 70 and 8 1 to 8. Oh, this is far beyond than that. Since it's close to 200, I should be thinking of starting it at 4. So 192 4. 4 to the 8. 4 9 to 36. 4 1 to 4 768. I knew it. Because if I started at 5, I should be getting. Oh, you know what? Let's do that. Yeah, that's a better way too. But I think it's crossing beyond 900. I feel like it. Yeah, it crossed 900, so it's 4 7 6 8. This is gonna be 1320. Now this one I feel will be 7, according to me. You know what? Let's not solve this because I have an idea. It says to also express it in terms of equations. So y minus wait y minus y1, okay, is equal to x m into x minus x1. That's already done, right? Yep. This is gonna be, I don't want to solve this though because this is very complex calculation. Like I want to go a bit faster, I don't want to waste my time very much in this. Like already, dude, this is really big. Like this chapter is not that easy too. Let's go with 20 here. This is gonna be 0.0. No, you know what? Let's not do that. Let's not have a peak here. I'm gonna do normal. And x minus x1. What is x minus x1 giving me exactly? X minus x1. What is x1 giving me again? Yeah, 124.92. Alright, this is the equation. I can solve this more, but then the calculations, dude. I know, yeah, that's the thing. I need to practice a lot of calculations. I agree to the fact about it, but dude, like, you gotta wait for it. Then another one. What's the next question we need to do? There's another problem. This question is interesting though. So it says a milkman. Okay, I think he's the only person who can return back the milk that tries to bring when the bride tries to bring the milk. He is the only one who can return it. So if anyone has their dad as a milkman, you are a bit special because your dad is a bit special. Why? Because they always come back while giving the milk. Okay, I think I gone too serious. I'm so sorry. Shouldn't be doing that. Just wanted the content. Also, shout out to Students Heaven. I did not give them a shout out. I'm so sorry, because they actually make really good animations of many English chapters. I think they have all the class 11th and class 10th and class 9th English topics. I really like those chapters. Those are really good. I mean, those are really good chapters. I mean, I don't know how to even express it. Okay, let's do this. We create a Cartesian plane. Here we go. What's the question though? I need to see that. It's a milkman though, for sure. I know. I can get that. I've got for okay. It's the owner of a milk store. Oh sure. I thought it was a milkman. Oh that. He can sell 980 million liters of milk each week. Okay. Alright. I got the question now. 980 liters. Okay, this is suppose this is the liters and this is the cost. I say it's in rupees. This is gonna be so what I can say here is to understand this great and clearly. Let's say that bro is having like he is actually doing a business of giving milk. He's or selling milk. My bad. I'm being too sus right now. By selling the milk, he's getting 14 rupees per liter. 14 rupees. If you convert that in a dollar, it's less than a dollar. I don't know how much, but I think it's at you know it should be like somewhere around 0 point above 0.3 or 2 a point zero above 0.2 or above $0.3. That's what I can say. So he's selling that for 1 liter of milk. Yeah, I know it looks like a lot and very less money. That's how Indian have a very cheap price of making. I really like the economy of India though. It's really well made. I like the rupees sign. I really like the production they do. Yeah, even though many people are suffering from the financial part, but I know that India is trying their best to manage. They're putting up their democratic politics work up here. Now, some people might criticize me because they will ignore the fact that it's the democracy. But yeah, I just have a feeling about that. Some people might even go against me. That's what I know. Because they might hate democracy or they just don't agree to the fact. Oh my god, I'm yawning so much. I don't know what is going on. Am I that sleepy? Dang, dude. I think I'm. Even though I don't feel sleepy, I'm yawning so badly and a lot of times. Like, dude, chill out. Alright. So we don't know which X liters for 17. So yeah, if he started getting 16 rupees per liter, he actually locked in and thought of why not sell more so that he can get more profit, right? Well, yes, he did that. And by doing that, he actually also thought some person might have thought about this, but he said that what would be the amount of liters of milk will he be doing that for 17 rupees? So this one is an interesting one. What we can do here is take this as the y value for 17, and this is the let's just put the points in order to make a line for that. This is the line. Okay, now this looks like a graph, by the way. Yes, it looks like a graph. Yes, it does. What should I do, emailing you? What do you want me to do here? I have to find out the value or the number of liters for 17 rupees. That is the minute. Okay, alright. Y minus y not. No, wait. Let's just think about this nicely because we need to be closing this and create and create and sound clear. So this is gonna be like 122. Okay, I got it. So what I'm gonna do, I got an idea. Let's just apply the collinear concept. Okay, so 1 to 20. Oh, what am I doing, bro? Am I that dumb? Like I learned a lot of stuff. And then this is gonna be here and that is gonna be here. This is gonna be 2 by what's 1220 again, 980. So this is gonna be 0, this is gonna be 12, this is 4. Oh, yep, it is 4. This is 11 here, so this is gonna be 9, and this is 0, so this is gonna be 240. So you're saying that's 1 by 120, which is actually a slope. Then we gotta make an equation with this so that we can satisfy the value. So let's do that. Okay, so y minus, let's say I want, I'm kind of confused here. That's fine. Let's say I want to do it with 14 into x minus here 980. That is gonna be y minus 14 is equal to 1 by 120 x minus 980. Okay, this is great. This is great. Okay, so this is gonna be 120y minus 120 into 14. What is 120 into 14? Sorry, 120 into 14 here. 4 0 0 4 2 is 8, 4 1 is 4 here, then 1 0 is 0, 1 2 is 2, 1 1 1, that's gonna be 0 8. This is gonna be 6, and this, okay, minus 1 6 8 0. Alright, okay, x minus 1 980. Might as well do that for sure. So this is gonna be x minus 120y, and I have to calculate for this one, so it's gonna be not that hard, of course. So I can just directly do this, and I get 0 0, and this is 16. This is gonna be 7 for overall, and this is gonna be 0. 700 plus 700 plus, right? Yeah, plus 700 is equal to 0. That is the one. This is the equation, guys. We got it. Now what I'm gonna do here is, in order to get the calculation, I have to satisfy, I can satisfy the equation, but it says that I have to get for 17 liters. So what's gonna be that? So y value will be 17 this time. So 120 into 17 plus 700 is equal to 0. Let's calculate this. I need to get the value for x. That's the main thing here right now. So this is gonna be x minus 120 17. What's the value? Let me just check. This is 7 zeros are 0, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7 8. You have 1 0 0, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Let's go. We got this 0 4 and 10. This is 2040. 2040. All right, we got this. Now what's next? What's next? Plus 7. No, chill. Ow! Oh my god, this is irritating. This is really irritating. Okay. Okay. I might have done this wrong. I'm gonna have. I will just check again. 7000. Bro, this page is so irritating. Like it's floating up again and again. Let's stop doing that for real. 7000 7 2 is 14, 7 1 is 7 8, and then we have this. So this is gonna be 2 in here. So 0 4 10 here. That's 2040. Now 2040 will be subtracted with 700, and that gives 0 4 10 3, and this is 1, so 1340. Okay, not bad. I mean, this is fine. Let's go, guys. We got it. This comes to an end of an exercise and half of the chapter 2. Let's go. But still, we still have to do some remaining part. So what I'm gonna do is I will apply some small techniques. We'll do the whole miscellaneous exercise, but for that I might have to look at the notebook, because it's really interesting to have this. Most of the time I try to do the questions by myself, and yeah, I know how to do it, but then miscellaneous are some kinds of questions I might have to actually really check that for out for real. So I might have to do that for this kind of situation. Plus I have to study physics. This is a really bad timing, by the way. Oh shoot, dude. Like, why does this happen again and again? Like, what? Mathematics. Okay, I gotta contact others too. Like, wait a minute, guys, I'm coming back. Okay, we just completed half of the chapter. Just give me like 5 or to 10 minutes, and we'll come back. There's an important thing I have to going on. I'm right here, guys. Don't worry. Oh.